I'm not sure if I want to ask this question to my audience, but have you ever felt that driving sometimes becomes mundane and boring? And if that is happening, you know what? I have in my last few years, or in fact, lot of years of my driving, I have discovered some really silly and some smart hacks, mental hacks that will make even your 10-minute running errands in grocery driving also a therapy. So in the next 10 minutes or so, let's go over these mental hacks, which I'm reasonably confident that will make your drives pleasurable, zen-like, and like a therapy. The first hack, they are not worth your adrenaline. Remember, you take out the car and you're going somewhere and you find somebody driving like a moron. Somebody is honking unnecessarily, cuts you off. I understand that the default reaction is to shout, is to curse, to tailgate even, but think about it really deeply here. What does it change? It changes nothing. You really pump your blood up. You will feel your heart racing faster. So you say something to the other driver. In fact, when you have your family with you, I've experienced that I got into a kind of a road rage or into a fight. The rest of the journey becomes extremely difficult because you're kind of guilty with your kid, your wife, your mother, or your family, and then you're not able to explain what happened to them. And they're also worried, as to what is going to happen because things can very easily escalate. I think in India, you will find one such idiot every 30 minutes. So it is absolutely not worth it, right? So I think इजीली एकदम काम होके ड्राइव करने का, ये तो किसी ने कट मार दिया, कोई हॉर्न कर रहा है, तुमको कुछ किसी ने बोल दिया, चिल मारो, मतलब उसको एक स्माइल दो. ट्रस्ट मी, वो स्माइल करेगा ना, वो उसका दिमाग और खराब हो जाएगा. ये गाड़ी में मेरे को जिम्नी में ना, मतलब बिकॉज इट कैन नॉट रियली ड्राइव फास्ट एंड कैन नॉट टेक ऑफ. सो इफ समबडी कट्स मी ऑफ, मैं उसको चेज नहीं कर सकता हूँ अभी. Even if I'm driving some other car, I don't chase, I don't do all that stuff. And trust me, your family members who are sitting with you in the car, they're also very proud when you do this. Right? Another very important hack is, you watch when you're driving now, watch 2-3 cars ahead, not just the car that is in front of you. Why? Because if you realize now, in Indian traffic, the whole drama is not just the front car, but it's about 2-3 cars ahead. What happens 3 cars or 4 cars ahead spirals into what happens in front of your car. And if you keep an eye on that third car from where you are, you have great reaction time. That will save you a lot of anxiety and panic when something happens. One brake light happens 3 cars ahead. What is happening is that you are staying active instead of reactive. एक accident को अगर तुम लोग avoid कर सकते हो तो ये मतलब करना ही चाहिए यार. And because you're avoiding all of this anxiety and panic, you have a mentally smooth ride. Talking about anxiety, folks, see, I'm launching a brand called Last Gear, and this brand is inspired by the whole Jimny life, the analog life, the rugged life, especially focused for men. So I'm going to be launching my first drop very soon. So if you want me to let you know when that happens, there is a link on a pinned comment on this video. Put your email ID there, and I will let you know when that happens. All right? Okay, this one is interesting. Okay, podcast your drive. See, I have become a YouTuber. So मेरे लिए easy है because I keep recording myself. I know most of y'all are not podcasters or YouTubers. So, but try doing this. When you podcast your drive, and let's say you have a camera, you put your phone. I have got this, this octopus-like tripod that I use in my car, and my camera is right now mounted on it. So, तुम लोग ऐसा कुछ खरीद लो, अपना फ़ोन लगा दो उसके अंदर और है ना पॉडकास्ट करना शुरू करो. आई मीन स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर ड्राइविंग अलोन. सी, सम ऑफ द टाइम्स दिस वेरी साइलेंट कैबिन एंड यू नॉट पुटिंग म्यूजिक, इट गेट्स टू यू. सो टू ब्रेक दैट चेन, बात करो, डॉक्यूमेंट करो और बात करो एंड कीप टॉकिंग वॉट एवर यूर एक्सपीरियंसिंग, वॉट एवर इज इन योर माइंड अबाउट द जर्नी, अबाउट वेर यूर गोइंग, अबाउट योर एक्सपीरियंसेस. ट्रस्ट मी, it is a fantastic therapy. It's like journaling, okay? And you never know, you might just get used to the camera and you might become a YouTuber. बनने का तो बन जाओ यार, it's fun. Okay, the next tag is a tricky one, लेकिन बहुत मजा आता है करने के लिए. Commit or wait. I'm talking about the indecision that we do when we are at an intersection. You look at the other car or the driver and you think, should I go or should I wait? Should I go or should I wait? You're trying to overtake a car or a slow auto or a truck. You are in a hesitation whether to overtake or not. I'm talking about those decisions. Of course, you have to make very solid, mindful and safe decisions when you're doing this. In these kind of situations, you either commit and you go or you wait. It's as simple as that. Don't be in two minds. Because even the other driver appreciates if you decide and go by your decision. So don't do this start, stop, start actions because it actually gives you a little mini heart attacks for you and the other drivers and the people sitting in the car also. Indian traffic conditions rewards confidence but not aggression. Remember, don't confuse this with aggression. I don't want you to, because the moment you say, okay, मैं ही सब जगह घुस के चला जाऊंगा और मैं ही सबको तोड़ूंगा, तो फिर वो aggression हो गया. Because you can commit and you're confident, you will be able to have a smoother drive. और एक superb hack है ना, मैं करता हूँ आजकल, और है ना जिमनी में स्पेशली बहुत होता है मेरे साथ, बिकॉज people look at the जिमनी, even otherwise we tend to look at co-drivers or other drivers. I'm talking about smiling more. When you're driving, smiling at other drivers more. Just pass on that smile, yaar. And you're not just passing on that smile, you're passing on that smile, and it will multiply. I know थोड़ा बहुत ज्ञान टाइप का लगेगा ये, करके देखो, ये बहुत मजा आता है करने के लिए. And my niece and my daughter, when they sit in the car, they are like teasing other drivers all the time. They're saying hi to other drivers from the back of the car, and I see all the other drivers also making fun with them. They're waving. But as an adult, I think we should at least smile. एंड अगर सिग्नल में कोई मिल गया, टाइम मिल गया, तो रोल डाउन करके थोड़ा कुछ बात कर लो, कुछ ये गाड़ी कितने का पड़ा, ये कलर मस्त है, थोड़ा कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे दो, मजा आता है करने के लिए. एंड दैट्स हाउ यू मेक दिस स्मॉल कॉन्वर्सेशंस, शॉर्ट लिटिल कॉन्वर्सेशंस. दिस स्माइल्स विल गो अ लॉन्ग वे. Okay, next one is very simple. Everybody listens to music, but I am talking about listening to something more calming, more relaxing, more mindfulness. इतना relaxing नहीं, मतलब don't put a podcast that will put you to sleep. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about something which is binaural music. I'm talking about deep focus music. I'm talking about some podcast or some relaxation techniques that you can put on your YouTube music or on a Spotify or Apple, which will condition your mind to reduce fatigue and anxiety. Otherwise, the music is always there. I mean, there are some terrific playlists on all of these music streaming services, and Spotify, I think, can do this AI bit now, where they where it creates these playlists when you say the word. And I think YouTube Music also has, but that's not an AI thing. They have that categories, and then you have to hit that category and get that playlist. But see, I find YouTube Music has amazing playlist. Spotify मैंने अभी use करने का बंद कर दिया. I use Apple Music a lot because of the quality of the sound. But otherwise, in terms of browsing and having a range of music, I think YouTube Music also pretty good. अभी है ना, ये सब tricks है ना, कोई मतलब मैंने कोई invent नहीं किया है यार. मतलब I know that lot of people do some of these things or maybe all of these things. So मेरे को बताओ कौन क्या use कर रहा है already and what has been working. And there is a new hack or a trick. Please बताओ, so that everybody knows and we can actually make use of it. मैं तो definitely करूँगा. So go ahead, drive safe, drive regularly, go to some absolutely unknown places and have fun. I'll see you on the other video.